you guys is that we need to be nice. You know why? Because you don't know when you're going to need a favor from somebody. You know, I was working in Singapore for almost 7 years. I was doing fairly well for a guy from my background. That was pretty good. I was exceedingly fine. Now, I was sharing an office with a guy who grew up in Minneapolis, much older than me. His name is Mr. Nat Forbes, nice guy. And we got along very well, even though he was older than me. We were great friends. One day, we had some disagreements. And I noticed that, well, he was a little bit upset. I just said, all right. In order to make peace, I just said, okay, I'm sorry, let's work things out. And each time that we had any disagreement, I always made it a point to make sure that we end things smoothly. There should be no rough edges, there should be no friction. When I moved to US in 2005, I was living in Florida. Guess what, guys? 2006, I was carjacked at gunpoint. I was shattered. My world fell apart. About 6 to 8 months before that, I'd used all my savings of almost $20,000 in settling down, getting a home, getting a car, and all those things. My money was gone. And I had almost nobody to turn back to. My folks back home, whatever they could send to me was not going to really resurrect me. I was desperate to get back on my feet. In fact, that was the first time I considered going back home to Africa. I said, I'm done with this thing. I'm done with it. I've been living out for almost 12 years. But that was the only moment when I wanted to pack everything and go back home. But guess what? After that incident of that carjacking, my friend, Mr. Forbes, in Singapore, he called me, he said, I heard that you've been carjacked. I said, yes. He said, that's not the America that I wish for you, my friend. That's not the America that I know. He said, what is it that I can do for you? I said to him, no, there was nothing that I wanted him to do for me. He said, are you sure that you don't need any kind of help to get back on your feet? I said, I didn't need any help. He insisted, and he gave me a loan, guys, to get a car again and get back to work and be able to rebound. And it is thanks to the loan that Mr. Forbes gave me that I was able to continue living in the US. I would have long gone back home. I would not even have come to Reno. That means I would not have had this great opportunity and this privilege of meeting you guys. And the reason I share that story is because it was because of my relationship with Mr. Forbes. The fact that we were nice to each other, that he was willing to step up and give me a hand. Now I'm throwing the ball back to you guys. The folks that you know in your own life, maybe some of them younger than you, some of them senior to you. Are you being the best friend possible to them? So that if something goes wrong, perhaps these are the people that will turn back and say they want to give you a hand. Because if we don't cultivate those relationships and make them strong enough with them, those people will not trust us enough to be able to give us that lift. They will not trust you enough to give you that hand. They will not extend that hand because they think, oh, he's a jerk. I don't want to help him. He's a jerk. But if at the back of their mind they know, oh, he's a nice guy. He's a guy that I can do business with. I can trust him. I can give him my money. I can give him a loan for a while and hopefully he will repay me. The fine thing about it is that I've repaid most of the money to Mr. Forbes. So I want you guys to also realize that in every single relationship, both home, at school, and in life, those things may come back to play on you at some point later. And so it's very crucial that we cultivate harmonious relationships with everybody because those are the things that will propel us up later on in life. Especially when you leave school and you're looking for a job, you need someone to give you a recommendation. That is crucial. So be nice. Ask yourself, am I being nice to my classmates? Am I being nice to my buddy? Am I being nice to my teachers, to my friends, to my mentors? Because those are the people that will make a difference.